Welcome to Learning the Business of Landscape Design. I am Dan Lee. This is CAD 101. Pretty well laid out using my data from my total station. And now I have these gardens that I need to lay out. I have two of them already located. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to draw a polyline that goes in between the two gardens. I'm going to use the FA command so I know it's a straight line. Count the number of gaps that you need. I have 1 gap, 2 gap, 3 gap, 4 gap, 5 gaps. It's better to count the gaps than the actual lines that are going to be created. Use the divide command, and I'm just typing that into the command line. I'm going to select this line, and I'm going to say I need 5. So that has drawn points. We can use those now as it crosses the line. I can go over here and copy. I've already made these as rectangles. They're joined polylines. And then I know I got that spot right there to grab from. Now I can work this way, and there's 1 and 2. That's how you use the divide command. I use erase to get rid of the line and the points, and I'm all done. Please follow us on YouTube at Learn Landscape Design, and don't forget to subscribe.